In the last episode you've seen we installed coilovers and strut braces in the car. Relatively straightforward job, not too complicated. Today we are a little bit more hands-on, a little bit more work intensive. We need to put in a new upgraded clutch, a lightweight flywheel and whatnot. All these parts are from I.L.Motorsport. They are being developed currently. Our job is to put them on the car and try and break them. If they survive me, then they are good to go and you will be able to buy them at a later stage as well. What you see here also is a big box with a radiator in it. And you might be wondering, well, why? The fact is that we actually did some research, incredibly, this time, and it seems that it might be necessary to remove some heater lines while extracting the exhaust manifold. If that's the case, then it doesn't make sense to not fit also this upgrade part that is available at I.L.Motorsport. I really can't wait to put my hands on, and I hope it will go as smoothly as the coilover, but I have a feeling that it's not going to be like that, but let's see. We start with a simple job, which require only one tool, which is me, which is to remove the shifter ball. Comes out like this. Shifter. Get it done! Wait. Splash guards and braces are out. Quite easy. Actually, it's just screwing. But this one seems to be quite committed. But it seems like these were like Loctited in. Unlike all the others, don't ask me why. Yeah, let's see, keep going. Removing the slave master cylinder. This we can actually cable tie here momentarily. We have to remove the starter, of course. We are not really sure we are doing it in the right way. No. I mean, it's not like we're trying to work on any electrical part of the car, so.
It's some sparks? No?
Some sparks, but sparks are good. Our expert mechanic, the machine, Andrea the gearbox machine, said that by 10 the car will be running.
I like this.
But he also feels like it's not necessary to take the exhaust manifold out, so we will see. Is to go and feel with your fingers, with your eyes closed. Like you have to be able. This is the difference between me and him. I'm a beginner mechanic, so I still have to look where I put my fingers. But an expert mechanic, he just goes like it and he finds everything.
Yeah.
We are removing stuff that we are not sure that we have to remove, but we remove them anyway.
Lightweight.
Exactly. It's out, another part out of the car. I'm starting to get a little bit worried of how we will be able to fit back everything because it's such a tight fit. But now we are dancing, so we have to go through it. Without him, impossible. So we removed this. We also removed the pressure plate. We are putting an aluminum one, which is lighter. Sit wrap, flywheel is in, clutch is in, pressure plate is in, they are tightening right now. Everything is going smoothly, sort of, and now we'll see if we can put the gearbox back in smoothly or if it goes like the uninstallation, which I don't know how much will be on camera, but it was a job and a half. But the guy is insane. The guy is building the car up like nothing. V8 roaster guys, we will send you an email. I can barely believe what I'm seeing. The car is finished. Just a few bits and bobs from the interior are missing. So it is not really a wrap, but we are very close, and we're gonna push through and finish. This car is not gonna sleep on this lift tonight. This car is going on the streets where it belongs. But everything is because of him, the machine himself. He promised yesterday that by 10 the car will be finished, and it is. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, he kept his word.
Gears.
Huh?
No gears.
As you've seen, we've been installing the strut braces in the car, but unfortunately we were missing 2 of the 4 points, specifically the center ones, because this specific car came without this bit, which is basically gives you the possibility to attach a strut brace in the middle of the car. So we just got delivery of the part, and we are gonna go and install it instead of the part that was provided with the car, which is this one. These are 2 identical parts, pretty much, beside this welded bracket with a stud. If you are interested in buying this, make sure that you check whether or not your car comes with these or with this part. Actually, taking down and putting back up the gearbox was quicker than putting this rubber seal in the car. Right, in full-on One Lap Hero style, we succeeded in the sense that we didn't need to take the water out to change the gearbox. But we decided to change the radiator anyway, so you know, it fits perfectly with what we are. We go for something, then we actually succeed in that, and then we create ourselves the next problem because we want to fix that. And thank God Gatti is in a very good mood, and we're gonna do it, hopefully. Let's say it's a tight fit. Let's put it this way. Let's say it's a tight fit. But I'm sure, to be honest, I'm sure that if you put the time in, that if you take the bumper out and you take the AC lines out and you take everything out, then maybe it's easy. But
But the last 30 minutes.
Completely over-engineered. All of this is that so that the car is a little bit quieter. Insane. Holy water. This is Nürburgring holy water. Seems like we have them. Shocking. Right, everything is running. I'm more tired than happy, to be honest. This should have been an easy thing, and it wasn't. Nothing about this was easy. Literally not a single step of this was easy. So I let you into a little bit of a secret. The gearbox went in and out of the car a couple of times in the process. And the thing that makes me the most happy, although it's ridiculous, is that the last time that we did the process, the car was like this, ready to drive. Everything was in, even the gear knob was tightened up. And then we had to take everything apart again. And it took us 25 minutes to take everything apart, so the car back up and the gearbox down and everything apart, 25 minutes. And today it took us 25 minutes to put everything up. So we have become extremely efficient at gearboxes. So if you have an ND and you need to do something on your gearbox, call us, because 1 hour in, out.
This, I call it
This.
this.
This.